So hello everyone, I am Samir Sinat. Today I am going to show you my one project, and the usability of the project is like whenever you are at the Indian Railway website where we can just put the PNR and check whether the ticket is confirmed or not, the PNR status basically. So here the usability of this app is like you have to just put the PNR on this clean UI page, you don't have to just look at this mess, and just you have to put this your PNR, and you have to just check the status, and that will show you the response. So how this is working, let me first show you how it is doing. Suppose I just hit enter, check status, and here it is telling that fetching PNR status. Okay, I used the wrong PNR. Let's use this, and it will show you the status of whatever the train status it is, like booking status and the current status, what are the prices, fare prices, PNR number, what is the class of that ticket, and from where the ticket journey is. So uh, this is working like in a sense if I'm just logging all the data, whatever I'm fetching from the Indian Railway website, is if I'm putting that on the console. So this is the response that I'm getting from the server of Indian Railway, and then showing all that in a combined way in this user-friendly front end using the UI. So here the train name, whatever this one is responding, I'm just putting taking that out from this one and then putting that on the screen. So how this is basically working, uh, if a user is just hitting this check status button, then I'm just putting this PNR number on the API here, the railways dot EaseMyTrip PNR check status, whatever it is, I'm putting that on that API, and then whatever the response it is just giving, I'm just using the JSON parser of this Node.js, and then putting that on the screen after passing only the required details. Like if you will see, there are so many details that API is giving, but I'm just taking out the important details that is useful for the users, like and how it is done. So whenever the user is just hitting the check status button, then I'm just getting that app.post operation, and here on that I'm going to the endpoint API slash PNR and putting whatever the number is on that, like PNR number. So, and whatever the response that I'm getting, I'm just getting the response. Then after decoding that, the data which is traveling through the internet or the API is encrypted. I'm just again decrypting, putting the information out. And this is only for the demonstration, to show you all in this console, like what the data I'm getting and what the data I'm showing. The data is I'm getting, then I'm just putting I'm taking that out, and if using also the OR operation here, if the data out is not in a correct format or whatever, or the data is not available sometimes, so getting that NA, none value. So if I will just show you in the public folder, here I have the index.html that I'm just showing on the front screen, and also have the script.js to basically render all the things and show that on the screen, and also the style.css, basic UI, whatever it is. So this is how you can make your own platforms and make your own UI. So just take that out from this not user friendly UI. So hope this was informative, and hope you got the idea like how the PNR status app is working. So it is on the local host. I have also put it that on the this one, uh, Vercel, and I will also share the link of this in a title, so that you can also go to this and use this. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.